Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing something that has become a regular part of my self-care routine, and that's my go-to face yoga moves. These are my absolute favorite moves that I do consistently and regularly, and I've actually seen real results from. They help lift, tone, and relax my face. And honestly, I just feel so much better after doing them. If you are curious about face yoga or just want to add a few effective exercises to your routine, then keep watching. I'm going to walk you through the exact moves that I swear by. Are you ready? Come and join me. Let's start by taking a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out. Relax your facial muscles before you start. One more time, inhale. Exhale. Move number one is the forehead smoother. And positioning our knuckles in the center of our forehead and then gently gliding out to the sides. I particularly love this move because it helps to release tension from the forehead. And as we know, tension is the number one reason why the wrinkles will form on the forehead, both horizontal and the vertical wrinkles. So moving out to the sides in a gentle, medium firmness touch. Deep breath in and out. You will feel warm in your forehead. And again. And we can do that up to 20, 30 seconds even, creating blood flow to this area and releasing any tightness in the fascia of the forehead. Finishing up with the forehead, with our knuckle, we will do a gentle brush here over the 11 lines or frown lines that we might possibly have here on the forehead. So just nice and easy, all I'm doing, rather than just tapping, I'm flicking. Again, I have found this to be particularly helpful to prevent me from squeezing the eyebrows together. And if I already have some tension here, it will help to release it very quickly and effectively. Again, up to 20 seconds, breathe through it and relax. Move number two is cheek lifter. Take your lips into a wrap position, hiding your teeth. From this position, move the mouth corners up towards the temples, as if you're smiling, but keep your teeth and your lips wrapped in around each other. Carry on with the movement, relax your eyes and keep breathing. Good, relax your face. I find this movement helps with toning the cheek area, especially the midsection of the cheeks, and also helps to lift the cheekbones up. Move number three is jawline tightener. We will wrap the lips together, just like so, creating a neutral line through the mouth corners. Make sure your mouth corners haven't downturned. Now from here, from this wrapped in position, move your mouth corners up towards the temples and smooth out any lines that you see on the sides of the mouth. Now, keeping that position, tilt your head back, breathe, and apply a little bit of pulsing motion from your mouth corners, as if you're trying to lift weights from your mouth corners up towards your temples. Hold it there for 20 seconds. Wonderful. Slowly release, relax, take a breath in and out. This exercise I found to be absolutely fabulous for the jawline, so keeping my jawline toned and jowl free. Next is the eye opener. This exercise works both upper eyelid and lower eyelid at the same time, so saving your time and also maximizing the effect. Let's position our flat palm over our relaxed forehead, covering our eyebrow with our pinky finger. And then press your palm in so that you can create a lift through the eyebrow. Hold that position with your other hand. Position your fingers across the outer section of the eye to prevent any lines from forming when we squeeze the eye. Next, we will squeeze the eye into the center. Hold it tight. Breathe through it. Inhaling, exhaling. So feel the pulse and shake under your bottom hand. Make sure you don't pull that hand down. Just feel that the eye muscles are switched on and working. And I'm keeping my other eye as relaxed as I can. This can be tricky, so just practice that. One side engaged, one side not engaged. And slowly relax, release, take a breath in and out. Relax your hand down. Observe the eyebrow. This almost immediately lifts the eyebrow up, opens the upper eyelid, and also feel really quite tight under my under eye area, so it has really worked it and tightened and lifted there as well. So let's go on to the other side, the other hand. Over relaxed eyebrow. Make sure your eyebrow and forehead are not tense. Then from there, lift with your hand, so keeping your eyebrow in a higher position, and then across, covering here across the outer section of the eye, and drawing the eye into the center. Squeeze it tight shut as if you're trying to pull the curtains down of your upper eyelid, lower eyelid as well. Hold it, breathe. Our hold is up to 15 seconds on each side. And then slowly let go and release. Relax your hand, release down. I absolutely love this exercise because I can feel the muscles working all around my eye at the time that I'm doing it and also after I finish doing it. Our next exercise is for toning the chin and the neck. So for this one, we will work with the tongue and we will position our hands at the base of our neck here. Take our head into a gentle tilt. Make sure your forehead is relaxed. And then from here, pull the tongue out between the lips and curl it up towards the tip of your nose. With this one, also lifting your chin up as if it wants to follow the tongue up towards the nose. And now pulsing the tongue up as if you're trying to reach it up a little bit higher. Make sure that your jaw muscles don't over tense. And slowly release, relax. Take a deep breath in and out. Again, excellent exercise for giving the tone to this space here. It has a tendency to loosen these muscles here and also all through the neck, the central part of the neck especially, and over the chin and up towards the mouth. I hope you felt that as much as I did. The finishing touch that I always add to all of my workouts is the tapping and also collagen pinch. Let's do this together. We'll tap from the forehead all the way down through to the neck. And we're going to pause on each area for a few seconds. This will help to cool down the muscles and also will boost blood flow, circulation, and lymphatic flow in the face, which is very important to give us bright skin and glowing skin and healthy skin and face. So we're going to take that all the way through the cheeks. Deep breath in and out, an opportunity to relax, to connect to your face, send it love and care. And take our finger pads down through the neck, gentle taps all the way through, arriving at the collarbones and finishing here with our lymphatic drainage. Then from here, taking our pinchy fingers, I'm using my thumb, index and middle finger to pinch on the neck muscle all the way up towards the jawline. I'm going to do that several times, extending that area out to the sides of the neck as well, pinching all the way up from the base. And we'll do that a couple of times. Once we finish, we're going to take that over the line of the jaw itself. Again, noticing how I'm not pulling my skin down. I'm pinching up into the muscle. This is our collagen stimulation, so collagen production stimulation here in our skin and our muscle. Also has an opportunity to relax tension with the pinching as we're stimulating our fascia in the face. So I'm pinching all the way through the cheeks, wherever I can see an accessible area, and then from there coming up onto the temples. Nice to pinch over the temples. Inhale. Exhale. And then over the eyebrows as well. Inhale. Exhale, relax your arms down. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed following along with my favorite face yoga moves and that you're feeling refreshed and lifted. If you try this regularly, then please let me know. I'd love to hear how they work for you. And if you're looking for something more tailored to your unique facial structure and your goals, I now offer one-on-one face yoga consultations where we can create a personalized routine just for you. The link to book a session is in the description below. I would love to support you on your face yoga journey. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos from me. Have a fantastic day today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.